Welcome back to another episode of Cool Conversations. Today's topic is nature. Like this, mushroom. No, it's not about mushrooms.
Yes, it is.
That's one.
It was way worse.
Wow, okay. So,
nature.
Too naturey for you, mate. Yeah, most people don't even like getting out in nature.
I don't, because too many mosquitoes. Spider.
Nature can be beautiful, but it can also be gross and harmful.
Like those nasty mushrooms.
Yeah.
And little insects biting your flesh off.
Oh my god. And sticks.
Like they can stab you in the hair.
I hate natural disasters. Like,
Sam, come on.
oh, I just got bit by a mosquito.
Sam, come on.
No.
No. I was waiting. I thought you didn't know that it goes like this.
Okay, natural disasters, like, and some people like to pee in the woods. Yep, peeing in the woods. Zooming. I think he's done.
Yep. Totally. I didn't even unbutton my pants. Totally.
Okay, but natural disasters like hurricanes and tornadoes are awful.
And like a earthquake.
And some people are stupid to do something like
And
that.
these leaves that hurt your skin.
And poison ivy. Overall, I think nature's pretty bad. Just kidding. Well, it's harmful. Really, really harmful.
And it can kill you.
I don't even know what that is.
What? Is it alive?
It's alive.
That's nasty. And the one thing good about nature is quiet.
Logan, you want the rest of that hot dog, bud?
No, sir, you can have it.
Okay, thank you.
We're making a YouTube video.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, I have a
Why
YouTube
don't you
channel.
show it to me when y'all finish.
Okay.
Later on.
Okay.
And Mom is taking a nap.
Okay.
Okay.
Need something to keep me in going all that.
Okay.
But nature also has a bunch of cool animals.
Like this cat that was in this house.
Yeah.
And it fits through that little hole. And the one thing good about nature, guys, it's the only good thing there is. Climbing trees.
Oh yeah, let's climb a tree and then end it at the top of the tree. Okay, we're gonna end it soon. We just gotta get at the top of this tree.
What the?
What?
Look at
Dude, that is a thick spider web.
Oh my, when I was climbing it, I was like, dude.
Oh my gosh. Whoa. That spider must have been working
Really hard.
That was a big workout. We're getting ripped, spider. It's like kind of like pooping for spiders.
I seriously got a few.
Oh my gosh.
Whatever.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end it now by this tree. Tree huggers forever.
And guys, always be awesome.
Bye bye.